Sustainable development is a very important solution to environmental problems. We are also making pollution every day. Take out books, export packing, plastic bags use. But few people really realize how serious the environmental pollution is. Most people don't have a strong sense of environmental protection. According to the data, 1 million plastic bottles are sold every minute in the world, which can reach 500 billion a year. Unfortunately, less than half of the waste plastic bottles are recycled, and only 7% of them are recycled to make new bottles. Most of the bottles end up in landfills or into the sea. When we look back at history, the impact of government behavior, corporate behavior, or academic opinion on people is limited. What people need is more advanced technology, novel materials, or various principles conveyed by language, real green design product experience. Domestic waste pollution comes from the most easily expressed pollution problem in our life. The main sources of domestic waste pollution are non-recyclable packing box and plastic bags. These products are non-degradable and therefore produce a lot of rubbish. In the face of non-degradable products, we need to improve the service life of product packing to reduce the generation of baggage. The main purpose of this series design is to spread the concept of sustainability and environmental protection to people in different ways, so that more people can pay attention to the importance of sustainability and garbage pollution. My 4 design products are recyclable box packing, win label, magazine, and poster. They are finally presented to public as finished red win. Posters are environmental protection publicity, mysteries for shopping malls, and magazines are country products or red win. The idea of red win packing is to design a detachable win box, which will be detachable and then accessible to form a new win rack and win glass rack. The magazine is arranged according to grade alignment. Final, I changed to A4 size due to print. This final project display. There is a little difference between the final results of the magazine and the ideal effect, but the overall effect is prominent in the design process. The problem of the finished magazine is that the laminate is thin and has no texture. I think it's a problem in the selection of print paper. During the design process, it was discovered that the current price point of public service advertisement is the low-range rate. Therefore, sustainable and recyclable publicity alternately needs to be combined with economic interest to attract more attention.